This is the Moshi SnapTo car mount with wireless charging. Our first impressions and unboxing straight ahead. Welcome back, guys. It's Alex from TECHAERIS.com, and we are inside my wife's Honda Odyssey, and we are going to unbox the Moshi SnapTo car mount with wireless charging and have a look at it. All right, let's pop this guy open. Let's take a look around the box. It says effortless one-handed car mount with built-in wireless charger, fast wireless charging up to 10 watts, easy to mount anywhere using a car vent clip or dashboard adapter, USB-C to USB-A cable included, 4 feet, super strong magnets, rated to hold up to 2.2 pounds. As you can see in the front here, it says easy one-handed mounting, 360-degree adjustable angles, and CHI certified 100% safe. And there are your options to mount. You can use the vent mount or the dash mount. So let's open this guy up. I'm sure it's going to look identical to most of the wireless charging mounts or phone mounts that are out there on the market. What you get in here is your SnapTo car mount with wireless charging instruction manual, quick start guide. Got to the side, and then this is nicely packaged. This is your dash mount here, and you can mount this just about anywhere. You can do it on a windshield, or you can do it on the dashboard. We're going to figure that out. What we're going to do, we're not sure yet. And you also get a USB-C to USB-A cable, and it's about 4 feet long. It should be enough for most people. And then you get 2 SnapTo magnetic mounts that are included. That's so you can use for your actual case that you have. If you have a non-Moshi case, now Moshi did send us a case for our phone, which is this iGlaze, and this is for iPhone XS Max. This is going to be my wife's mount, so she uses XS Max, and these cases have the SnapTo feature already built in. We'll just take that out of there real quick and show you. The SnapTo mounts are right here, right inside. So that's what the SnapTo Moshi case looks like. This is the iGlaze version. They have other versions available. Moshi did also send the SnapTo wall mount, which we will test later on. This is just a magnetic wall mount that you just put on the wall, and you can, or any flat surface, and you can put your phone right up against it. And there's more SnapTo magnetic pads, and there is your wall mount. Or in this case, if you wanted to put it here, like here in the van, you can put it here and put your phone on there, and it would just stick there and it wouldn't move anywhere. But we're not worried about this right now. We are going to put together the SnapTo car mount with the wireless charging and get that up and going here. So what I'm doing here is I am taking the 2 metal magnets out of the SnapTo car mount wireless charging kit, and I'm going to mount them into the case here. That's just done. That is just done with a little double-sided tape that's on the back of this, little stick in the back, and then that should now stick to the car mount. And here you'll see you have a USB-C charging port. I don't know if the camera's grabbing that enough or not, but right underneath, and that's where you're going to plug your cable into. This is really easy and simple to do, and anybody can get this done. Now, before we mount this, because I'm going to put this on the actual dash here myself, you have, alternatively, you can mount this on the vent if you'd like, and that just is right there. So that just goes on your vent if you want to mount it that way. My wife's not a fan of vent-mounted charging docks, so we're not going to do that. We're actually going to stick this on the dash itself. That's where she likes it. That's where she had her last one, so that's where we're going to put this one. Now, it's a good idea to test these things before you actually stick anything down. I'll put this the empty case on there for now, and I will put up here, because this is kind of where she had her last one, and I'm kind of thinking I'm going to mount it right there. Just want to make sure we have enough clearance for her to reach her controls here, and that looks just about good for me. No need for the passenger to see what's going on here. She can see everything clearly on the display up here, anything she needs to see, and then she can put her actual phone right up there, so that's perfect. So we're gonna take the sticky bottom off of here, the 3M stick, and we're gonna stick it right to the dash. Yeah, one thing I forgot to tell you guys, before you actually stick this on the dash, it's always a good idea just to get your cable plugged in, because it can be a hassle to reach underneath there and try to get that cable secured. It's just nice to get it in beforehand, especially if you have a tight spot like I have here. And we're just going to put it right on the dash, and we should be ready to go. Just make sure we have the right spot here, and that's pretty much where I want it. Now you'll have a couple seconds to remove that. If you don't really like it in that spot, but I think it's perfect right here. And then when you're done with that, you can actually put your phone up there, and it should start charging. We're going to show that demonstration in just a minute, but you have 4 feet of cable here, and you might want to get to your nearest USB port, which is down below here for us, and we're going to try to kind of hide the wire as much as you can. Do the best you can. Every car is different. You're not always going to get 100%, but you know, just do your best. All right, guys, we have the iPhone put into the moshi case here, and we just put it right up here, and it should start charging. And there you go. That is all there is to it. Now you have wireless charging in your car. The case has 2 magnetic strips up here that allow you to use the wireless charging without interfering with it, and it's just a simple dropping it right on and then taking it right off. We'll have a full review of the SnapTo car mount from Moshi with wireless charging on the website. We'll have to test to see how it stands up against shaking when we're driving, and see how that all works out. Right now, it seems like it's holding pretty tight, easy to use, easy to install. I do wish that there was a little bit longer cable. I think 4 feet's a little too short. I think for some people who want to run cable throughout the car, it's probably a better option if they had a longer cable, maybe a 6 to 7 foot, maybe 8 foot cable. Been nice to tuck it up underneath the headliner here and down the side and through, so that way it wouldn't show so much. But there's going to be some work to be done with this cable here. Make sure it's out of the way. But hey guys, please like this video and subscribe and comment below if you'd like, and share this video out to your friends. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and we will talk to you guys on the other side.